Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning. Did you sleep well last night?
How could I not sleep well next to you?
You are so sweet. I love you.
I love you too. Are you ready for our plan tomorrow? We promised the kids to take them to the forest.
Actually, I don't think we can go tomorrow.
Why not?
The weather forecast on TV said it will be rainy tomorrow.
Really? How bad will it be?
They said it will start raining around noon, and then there will be strong wind and cold weather in the afternoon.
Maybe we can go in the morning and come back before the rain starts.
But the forecast also said there will be heavy fog on the roads until 9 a.m. It's dangerous because of low visibility.
Oh, that's too bad. The kids will be so disappointed if we don't go out.
I know. Last weekend was sunny and we didn't go anywhere. Next weekend, if the weather is good, we will take them to the forest for sure.
So, do we have any plan for tomorrow then?
How about we set up a tent in the backyard and have a barbecue before the rain starts?
That's a great idea. But we don't have a barbecue grill.
We can buy one from the store today.
What else do we need?
We need charcoal, some meat, and vegetables. Also, we should buy a tent if we don't have one.
And we should get some umbrellas too, just in case.
Good thinking. Should we make a shopping list?
Yes, let's write it down. We need a portable grill, charcoal, chicken, beef, corn, bell peppers, and some drinks.
Don't forget marshmallows for the kids.
Of course. And we need a tent, sleeping bags, and some blankets.
Do you think the backyard is big enough for all of that?
Yes, it's perfect. We can put the tent near the trees.
What if it rains earlier than expected?
Then we can quickly move everything inside the house and continue there.
That sounds fun. The kids will love it.
Should we tell the kids about the new plan?
Let's surprise them.
Okay, but we need to buy everything today.
Do you want to go to the supermarket together?
Yes, we can go after breakfast.
What about the weather tomorrow? Should we check the forecast again on our phones?
Good idea. Let me check. Oh, it says 80% chance of rain from 12 p.m. and wind speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour.
so our backyard plan is better.
Definitely. We can still enjoy the outdoors without any risk.
And if the weather changes and it doesn't rain, we can still go to the park in the evening.
Perfect. I'm so excited now.
Me too. Let's have breakfast and then go shopping.
Okay, I'll make pancakes.
Great. I'll help you.